I just had to insert this. Please disregard all of the lipstick that is on my teeth throughout this entire video. I am at the end and I just noticed it, but hey, the video still will go on. Enjoy it, just don't zoom in. Bye. Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and if it is your first time here, this is a channel that is all about beauty and lifestyle. Make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. Now, today's video is kind of a two-in-one. First, let me begin with, I pray that everyone has been safe thus far. We are still in the midst of this pandemic. I pray for all those families that have been directly affected by it. I have been affected by it. I have been unable to work, as well as I know millions of other Americans have been affected the same way. Let's continue to pray and we will get past this, and let's get into this video. Today is a two-in-one. I decided, since we are getting closer to April 30th and I just been thinking about brunch, just going back to brunch. Brunch is one of my favorite things to do, although I might not indulge like right away, but whenever that time come, honey, I'm gonna be ready, got my fashion ready. So any of these pieces you see me put together and style today, just know that I will definitely wear each one. Whenever you see it on the gram, make sure you just double tap that heart. And I said two-in-one because these are jumpsuits, one piece, rompers, whatever you call them. Those are my go-to outfits. All you have to do is find your accessories and your shoes and you're good to go. I will begin with this piece. This is a denim. It was down as like gachos, I think. I'm not sure. I don't really remember. But it comes from Fashion Nova. Let me step back. She is ready for brunch. This is your casual, cute brunch outfit. When I reside here in Houston, Texas, the Turkey Leg Hut is a very popular spot. Now, it's not one of those spots where you have to get totally dressed up. This could be perfect because it's denim. You can wear a pair of heels if you want to. You can dress all the way down and put on a pair of sandals. It's however you want to rock it, but this is definitely a look. This is the back. It zips up. It does come with this belt. The heels are from Fashion Nova as well. This jumper is a size large. Cute little pockets. You can put your hands in and have you a cute pic, like so. This brunch look number one. Casual, cute. This next ensemble also comes from Fashion Nova. This piece was actually gifted to me. It was a little bit big for me, so I did have it tailored to fit me. This look, I would say you would wear to a brunch at a location that's just a little bit more upscale. If you want to just dress up and you want to look cute, but look like you ain't trying too hard to look cute, you know, when somebody look at you, they be like, oh, she look cute. That's cute. That's this look. And I have 3 different little handbags, clutch bags, whatever you want to call them, that you could style with something like this. But let me step back. Okay, she is cute. And look, I have all 3 bags in hand. Let me begin with this one. If you wanna just give it a little pop of color, let me let you see it up close, the color of it. See that? It's a neon green. It gives you that pop of color. Not like you're trying to do too much. Or you could just keep it simple. Another little light pop of color. This one is more like the blush pink. Has the little wristlet strap, and bam, cute. Show you the back.
Bam, bam, bam.
Those other 2 bags were cute. I like them, but me, because I don't always like to play it safe. I love to mix prints and patterns, and with this, I like this floral square bag. See that? This is what I would wear. She is picture ready. She's back and she is ready for another upscale brunch spot. This is another one that you can wear again if you want to look like you're all the way together but not really trying. This one is from Shein. It is a size large, very, very stretchy. And you see this pattern, this is throughout the jumper. I wanted to mix prints, mix patterns. That's what I do. I don't like to keep it real basic. The heel that I paired it with has a snakeskin print that matches this.
Okay.
Really cute. So let me step back. Can y'all see that heel? The heel along with the bag, and it's the snakeskin print. The shoe, it is a statement shoe all the way around. This is the type of look that I'm always speaking of when I say you will make a statement without even opening your mouth or saying a word. This look here, it is saying she is bomb. She has it going on. This girl rocks.
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen.
Hey, last but not least is a jumper that I picked up from Rainbow. Really cute coral. Whenever I wear this coral color here, I love to accessorize with gold. And as you can see, I decided to rock my fedora. She is from Pretty Little Thing. I added a chunky necklace. Whenever I have a neckline that is draped downward, I like to add something here. If I didn't have hair that was hanging and I was wearing my natural hair, which you all know is a short cut, I would have done statement earrings where they can drape and drop. And then my bag, it's really a makeup bag, but I'm using it as a purse. So let me step back so you can see, oh, it's a size large and I dressed it down. I have on sandals, not heels. I tried to put heels on, but the way it's made, flaring and everything, it made it look too short. So let me step back.
Yeah.
Wide leg, loose flowy jumpsuit. It has the shorts up under it. I don't know if you can see it really well. We have pockets here, but you see the shorts, the print, the back. I paired it with sandals. So let me show you something. If you want to bring it in some, you want to bring your waistline in, grab your belt. This is the slinky belt from the accessory haul, like so.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Bloop. You are ready, honey. This is a look. Now I told y'all, you will see me rock some of these looks, if not all of them. Just show me some love. Now that will wrap up this 2-in-1 Let's Do Brunch, and your jumper is cute. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Make sure you leave me a comment to let me know that you were here down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That means you like this video. And please, please, please make sure you share it. I will catch each of you in the next video. Stay poppin', YouTube.